Your plants might be freezing right now, while you are asleep. Cold drafts can sneak in at night and slowly kill them without warning. Leaves start turning dark, soft and mushy. Roots collapse from the inside, and you won't even notice until it's too late. But don't panic. We are here to protect them together. Just subscribe and tap the bell icon, so your green friends stay safe every season. When the temperature drops at night, windows become silent killers. Cold air slides down the glass and hits your plants directly like ice. Move your plants a little away from the window before bedtime. Even a small distance can save them from dangerous freezing shock. Avoid places with sudden temperature changes like near doors and hallways. Every time a door opens, plants get hit by cold bursts that stress them badly. Give them gentle, indirect warmth by keeping them in a cozy corner. Never put them on radiators or heaters. Burned leaves are just as deadly as frozen ones. Use curtains or blinds as a protective shield during cold nights. They block drafts and help keep the warm air around your plants. Here's a simple trick. Check the temperature by touching the window area. If you feel cold there, your plant is definitely suffering. Group your plants together so they can share warmth and humidity. Plants help each other stay stable. Teamwork makes them stronger. Have you ever lost a plant during winter? Which one struggles the most in the cold? Share this video with someone who loves their plants too. Like and subscribe. And may your plants stay warm, safe and always growing.